Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore BigCommerce affiliate feed syncing for accurate pricing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the apps section in your dashboard. Locate and select the affiliate app you are using. Ensure the app is properly installed and updated to the latest version. Next, check the settings of your affiliate app. Review the configuration options related to pricing feeds. Confirm that the product pricing is set to sync correctly. If necessary, refresh the settings to ensure they are active. Go back to your BigCommerce dashboard and click on Products. Select the specific, inspect the pricing details for accuracy. Make adjustments to any discrepancies in the pricing as needed. Now, return to your affiliate app. Look for the option to manually trigger a sync. Initiate the sync process to update the pricing across all platforms. Monitor the sync status to ensure it completes without errors. After syncing, go back to the Products section. Double-check the pricing on your affiliate feed. If the pricing still appears incorrect, revisit your app settings. Ensure that your account is synchronized with your payment gateways. Test the functionality by clicking on a few affiliate links. Verify that they redirect to the correct pricing on your store. If problems persist, consult the support documentation for your affiliate app. In some cases, reaching out to customer support may be necessary. Document any error messages you encounter for future reference. Regularly check your affiliate feed to ensure ongoing accuracy. Make it a habit to perform these checks after any major store updates. Keep your affiliate program up to date with any changes in product pricing. By following these steps, you will restore syncing for accurate pricing in your BigCommerce affiliate feed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.